Okay, what I've done is I'm back in my Windows machine. I brought up my email and I've saved that file. Saved it under my temp folder. So now I'm going to go into Pro Discover Basic. And I could do something there, but I'm just going to simply exit out of that and do a File, New Project. And give this project number, file name. Okay, click OK. Now, where it says Add, I'm going to choose Image File. And I'm going to choose All Files. And did not put an extension on the end of it, but here's my image underscore SDB1 AA that I created. So I click Open. Now this isn't going to be very exciting, but if I got Content View and I got Cluster View. Content View, I don't believe will show you anything. No, it doesn't. But if I come over to Cluster View, if I click this, then you're going to see something that looks familiar. Desktop, documents, downloads, examples, desktop, files.txt, music. If I come over to my virtual machine, and I'll do a cd space dot dot, and then do ls. You see you got documents, example, desktop, and let me get rid of the is available, cancel that. Okay, so let's compare it. Well, we got desktop, and downloads, examples.desktop, examples.desktop, there it is. What's that say? Desktop dot documents. Okay, documents is separate from the desktop, looks like. And files.txt, music, pictures. Although it's not a very user-friendly way of seeing it, you see that it matches up. Again, this is a boring example. All we did was use the dd command on one single file. I'm not going to have you mount a drive and try to do an acquisition from that. That's a little bit more than what I want you to do in this class. But I do want you to be familiar with the dd command and be able to extract some data from a location, just a file. Not a whole lot else is available here. Now you may wonder, well, that's not as user-friendly as the last one, which allowed us to view a file or even view a deleted file. Well, sometimes you're just looking at a cluster of information. You can think of it that way. And maybe they've deleted some of the file, and you can't open it up. It's corrupt. Well, this is where you look at it, just little bits of it, to see what you can retrieve. And this over here is the format that the computer uses to view it. And this over here is our user-friendly over here on the right side. Now if I come over here and highlight like videos, this will show you how that's represented on the computer. I don't think there's anything much exciting up here. But anyway, that's showing the information we brought from the DD file. Okay. Now I want you to, for the project, and I'll say this a little bit and then I'll reiterate in the project. For the project, I want you to do the same thing. I want you to create a listing of files, not necessarily under the home directory like I just did, but you can maybe list any location there. For example, if I come over here, it'll take me a little bit to get the syntax correct on this. Let me change to the bin. So I do cd and then /bin. Okay, this is the files. So if I do an ls : And the tilde should be my home directory. And then was it case? And then biglist.txt. Now if I change back, do a cd space and then my tilde, and I change the case, then I see I got a biglist.txt. And if I cat the biglist.txt, you see it's got a larger file. Oops, I mean exit out of the terminal. Okay. So again, if I want you to do a CD and then your backslash, and go in any of these folders. Doesn't matter which one, the ones you have access to, of course. Like for example, if I go into lib, and there's a ls. That's what's under there. You do ls greater than, and then your tilde for your home directory slash, and then you can put a folder if you've created a folder. Case, and then another list.txt. So that's the syntax. And that's the file I want you to run the dd command on. And I want you to turn in not only the file it creates, but also want you to do a screenshot over here. After you bring it up in ProDiscover and you see the information there, I want you to do a print screen. Now if I do a print screen, that'll save the entire screen. And if I go into Word, I'm not sure if I know how to get in Word in this. See, all apps. I'm still getting used to Windows 10. And Microsoft probably. I guess I have installed it. Maybe not. Oh, okay. Scroll down. And I'll go into Word. There it is. Create a blank document. And now if I do a paste, then that'll paste in my screenshot. And that's the second. So there's going to be two files you're going to bring in. You bring in the file the dd command creates, and you'll bring in this snapshot.